it is.
Beautiful.
One piece instead of 3 pieces, and it gets rid of the back seat, which is good because
got a little vent.
A little bit daggy, little vent that's not really there.
Secret pretend vent. What's this? It's different to what's there.
Yeah, this is fiberglass.
It's beautiful,
really nice,
very nice.
Cool. So look, you can see that it like clips in where the back seat goes. That's what these are.
Ooh.
So the
Nice.
it'll hold it down at the back, so it'll be nice and stable.
Show again. Very nice.
It's a really nice piece. It's nice and thick, which is good, but still pretty light for fiberglass, which is
Beautiful.
yeah,
Very nice.
So it looks like this one's had a little bit of fiberglass, had a bit of repair beforehand. You can see the fiberglass matting in there. We're going to reuse obviously the tail light in the new Tyga tail, which means we've got to recycle these brackets. We've only got one, so we might have to try and make something up, but one will do us for now. So we'll pull this off and then fit the tail light up to the new tail.